FIT library here. So today we're going to take a look at the Sears catalogs and some other department store catalogs. So this is the 5th floor, and I'm going to go over here to the TS section, and I'm going to look at some catalogs, and you can see, come on. So here we have the Sears catalogs right here, and you'll see some of the dates, like this is 1897 and this is 1908. So they're really like the turn of the century. We also have Montgomery Ward catalogs, so they're right here. And we also have Harrods, and it happens to say Victorian shopping, so you know that's also from a really long time ago. So here it is. This is the Sears catalog. So come on, let's take a look. I'm excited. So if you see, there's all these different pictures of things you can buy. They're all like home products, clothes, everything you could use. It's like the Amazon of the day, right? So what you would do is you choose something you like, you fill out an order form, you put the money in there and you send it out. You might not know this, but you can buy a house from Sears. So you order the house, you get all the pieces, and then it was up to you to put it together. When you look at the floor plans, it really does tell you a lot about how people lived and some of their habits. Like for example, this house, there's no bathroom. And there's no bathroom because they didn't have plumbing. Also, you'll notice there's no closets. And why didn't they have a lot of closets? Because they didn't have as many things to put away. I'm in the GT section now, and we're gonna take a look at some more Sears catalogs. So this one is a series, it's called Fashionable Clothing from the Sears catalog. This one happens to be from 1950, so you have some later decades here. So I'm gonna take this out, bathing suits. Just above it, we have everyday fashion of the 40s, as pictured in Sears catalogs. Oh my gosh, look what we have here. Blue jeans. Oh, and then here we have some suits. Shoes. Oh, look at the purses. So don't forget, if you have any questions at all, just ask the library. Oh my gosh, look. There's actually an ironing board in the kitchen. I guess that means that ironing clothes was pretty important.